elected founder, chairman, and CEO, Nha Dr. Minh Lee Jae Kuch, president of Aii Language Center, Mr. Sapir Amle, president of American Intercon School, Madame Narua, vice president, campus director, the beauty campus director, head teacher, parents, and fellow graduate. Welcome to the 27 AI graduation ceremonies! Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a very exciting day. Graduate, I'm not sure if you know me, but I am Singjing Hor from TK campus. While we may study different campuses, but we all share the same school spirit, determinations, and dedications. First, I'd like to offer a big congratulations to all of us for reaching this milestone. Yes, including myself. We have faced many challenges along the way. My ELT homework, classwork, project, presentation, and exam. Yet, despite all of these, we're preserved and make it here today. That is achievement we're celebrating. So let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Today, I am honored to stand here before you to deliver this speech, sharing my journey through Aii Language Center. Before I joined my GEP class, my English skills were, let's just say, questionable. I could introduce myself, order a coffee, sometimes successfully, nod my head like I understood what people were saying, but holding a real conversation, that was like juggling flaming sword, dangerous and guaranteed to end in disaster. Speaking of ordering coffee, it reminded me of a few summers ago. Every year, my family and I would go abroad to visit new places. I enjoy it, but eventually I start hating going out with my dad. Because every time we stop for a coffee, he asks me to order for him. Sure, I can do it with ease now, but back then, tough. I couldn't even make eye contact with strangers. I was shy, started conversations, and constantly worried and asked myself questions like, what if my grammar's wrong? What if my accent awful? What if I mispronounce a word? I felt insecure and was afraid of being judged. When I first joined my GB class, it was intimidating. The teacher spoke full speed in English, and all my classmates seemed way ahead of me. Every day, we learn and explore new vocabularies and grammars. And every day, my teacher will call on students to read aloud. But there I was, hiding behind my friend back with my finger crossed and silently chanting, please don't look at me, please don't call me, but of course, I was the target. Reading out loud feel like I'm trying to solve a puzzle that I couldn't quite figure out. My teacher noticed my struggle and would spend time explaining things to me in detail, which really helped me improve. I feel like I was making some progress, but then came the grammar. Oh, the nightmare. Conditional, phrasal verb, the dreaded present perfect continuous. I'm so stressed and tense. Why does English have so many tenses? My sister would make fun of me every time I messed up. She'd make the face and say, your grammar is very interesting. One day in class, I proudly said, I have been eating pizza, thinking I nailed it. My teacher gave me a painful smile and said, almost. That's why I barely spoke in class. But little by little, I improved. I had awkward yet successful conversation, learning the magical power of confidence. Fake it till you make it, and even managed to tell jokes that people actually laugh at. What is my biggest strength? My biggest strength is giving a full presentation in English on stage without panicking, crying, or even running away. I even impressed the judges. You see, and I hold an annual debate and public speaking competitions, but I was never interested. Can you picture someone like me going on stage, arguing, the person that was shy, unable to answer questions in class? No way. But my teachers, head teachers, and everyone around me saw my potential and encouraged me to join. I gave it a shot and unlocked my skill. So, here I am, a proud champion of the 7 and 8 Minh Lee Jae Kuch debate and public speaking competition 2 years in a row. So, To anyone who's struggling in GEP class, don't give up. You go from confused, head nodding, to actually understand why English speakers say things like raining cats and dog. And if all else fail, just smile and say, I'm still learning. It worked every time. Although the struggle may be hard and the challenging at the time, you may want to give up. But just remember, every step you take, no matter how small, will bring you closer to success. Trust yourself, trust the process, and surely you will succeed. Lastly, I'd like to thank you to my teachers, head teachers, my coach, and everyone here at AII. Before I leave, I need to take a moment to thanks to the two people who make this day possible. My parents. Mom, Dad, at the back seat there. I don't say this enough, but thank you for everything. Thank you for the sacrifice you make that I never fully understand. Thank you for the love you gave even I didn't deserve it. Thank you for believing in me on the day that I didn't believe myself. Mom, you have been my safe place, my biggest cheerleader, and the reason I keep moving forward. Your patience, your kindness, your endless support, it means the world to me. Dad, your strength, your guidance, and the way you always push me to be better have shaped the person I am here today. I love ordering your Americano extra espresso shot, less sweet and less ice. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I hope today as I walk across the stage, you're seeing not just a graduate, but a reflection of all the love. I am here because of you both. This achievement isn't just mine, it is ours. Once again, congratulations everyone. Thank you, good luck, and goodbye.